The Nilight 2 PCS 4-inch 60W LED pods with 2-inch tow hitch mounting brackets present an excellent solution for those seeking enhanced visibility and safety while operating their vehicles. Specifically designed to serve as backup reverse lights, these pods are a reliable addition for pickups, ATVs, SUVs, trucks, trailers, and boats. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included tow hitch mounting brackets. This feature ensures a secure fit, allowing users to install the pods without the need for additional modifications. The robust construction of the LED pods promises durability, with a weather-resistant design that ensures longevity even in harsh environments. Featuring a powerful 60W output, the lights deliver a bright, focused beam that significantly improves rear visibility. This is particularly beneficial when reversing in low-light conditions or navigating tight spaces. The lights produce a crisp, white illumination that enhances safety by allowing better awareness.